Today I'm going to show you how to insert, delete, select, copy, cut, paste, and drag in an MS Word. First, I'm going to show you how to select. Hold the left click of the mouse, then check the cursor where you're going to select. As you see in the video, the word has been highlighted, or you can use the shortcut keys, the Control A. And now I'm going to show you how to copy. First, highlighting the word, then right click, and you will see the copy in the options, and then right click wherever you want to paste. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the text. First, highlighting the word you want to be cut, then right click, select the cut in the options, and you will see the word has been cut. And or you can use the shortcut keys Control X. By the way, I forgot the shortcut keys of the copy. You can use the Control C. Next is how to insert the text. Highlighting the word, drag the highlighted word, then put it where you want. So then next is I'll show you how to delete the text. Highlighting the word, and if you see the button delete in the keyboard, press it, and the word has been deleted. If you want to restore the word that has been deleted, use the Control C. It means undo. That's all.
Hello, John. Saan mo na yung pag-sign in, John? Mama na.